Welcome to JP Excavator's installation and setup of the Bobcat X-Change Reversible Bucket Coupler. Never before could you put your bucket on backwards, but we have engineered the solution. Installation begins with the detachment of your bucket from the excavator by removing the bucket pin. Next, you'll spin your bucket 180 degrees. We recommend that your bucket be placed level on the ground at 3/4 reach of your excavator to provide more ease while installing the RBC. After spinning your bucket 180 degrees, you will place the RBC on your bucket accordingly and install the pin and clasp. With your excavator, reach out and connect it to the back side of the RBC as shown. Following the connection, curl your bucket in and push down on the RBC. With the manual exchange, be sure to install the second pin through the machine coupler and RBC. If you are utilizing the hydraulic exchange, press your hydraulic exchange button to activate the pins through the RBC. Once fully installed, press the bucket onto the ground to confirm proper attachment of the RBC to your bucket. For removal of the RBC, first make sure your bucket is level on the ground. Next, remove the pin from the coupler and RBC connection. Following the removal of the pins, curl your bucket out to complete the detachment from the machine and place the bucket on the ground. Finally, you will remove the pin from the RBC and the bucket, completing the removal of the RBC from your bucket. The Reversible Bucket Coupler from JP Excavator Couplers.